GunTag GT9. A tactical weapon light with a laser sight and a hidden anti-theft Bluetooth tracking case. In the box we have the manual, a GunTag sticker, a toolkit with specialized tools, a USB-C charging cable, and an extra set screw, and of course the GT9. This is a 350 lumens light with settings for high, low, and burst flash. An all conditions green laser sight. A hidden anti-theft Bluetooth tracker case, compatible with an AirTag and tile sticker. The GT9 is compatible with universal railed guns with a tamper-proof custom security screw. If your firearm is ever lost or stolen, you can share the location with police for safe recovery. It's your gun. Protect it. Get your GT9 at guntag.com.